Hi, Anna at the Sewing Studio here, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Janome Atelier range of sewing machines. As you can see, they all look very similar, but they do have noticeable differences as well. So the range comprises of these 4 machines, and it starts with the Atelier 3, then the 5, then the 6 and up to number 7. So the things they have in common are firstly their size. So each of them has got just over 8 inches of space to the right of the needle, and they all weigh around 10 kilos. All these machines are computerised, so that means that they all have a start-stop button and speed control, but they come with a foot pedal as well. They are all easy to use and come with some automatic features. So you'll find automatic tension, an automatic thread cutter, a needle threader, automatic one-step buttonhole, and also the needle is programmable so that when you stop sewing you can leave the needle down or up, whichever you prefer. Each of them has an easy to load drop-in bobbin system, and they all come with Janome's 7-piece feed system, and those teeth can be dropped if you want to do any kind of free motion work. With the presser foot, you'll find they have an extra high lift so you can get bulky items in underneath, and they all have the ability to adjust the pressure that is applied to the presser foot. Each machine has a free arm, so the accessory tray is removable, and they all come with a nice large extension table. So let's take a look at the differences between the models. We'll start with the Atelier 3, which is the entry level into the range. So the first thing to note is the maximum stitch width size. Couldn't say that then, stitch width size. So the maximum on this machine is 7mm. It has 4 nice bright LED lights, and they're all focused around the needle area. In under the lid, you'll find the stitch options that are on this machine, of which there's 120 to choose from, and you'll find 7 different styles of buttonholes in there. Now the speed that you can achieve on this machine, the top speed that is 820 stitches per minute. It's not quite as powerful as the other models, but still more than capable of sewing a variety of projects. And this machine comes with 7 different types of presser feet. So moving up to the Atelier 5, you're then coming on to a maximum stitch width of 9mm, as well as Janome's easy change needle plate technology. So there's no screws or anything to undo, it's just a simple lever that you pull down and the stitch plate comes up. And this machine comes with an additional stitch plate as well, which is a straight stitch plate. You also have a knee lift that plugs in the front here, so you can raise and lower the presser foot with your knee. It's got 6 different lights, so 4 centred under the needle and then a couple in the throat space here, so it's nice and bright so you can see everything that you're doing. In under the lid here, you'll find 170 different stitch options, and there's 10 different styles of one-step buttonhole in there. And the maximum speed that you can achieve on this machine is 1,000 stitches per minute. It also comes with 11 different presser feet, and that includes Janome's even feed foot, which is a walking foot. So progressing on to the Atelier 6, you still have everything the Atelier 5 has, so the 9mm stitch width, the easy change needle plate with the addition of the straight stitch plate, the knee lift, and the 4 lights here and the extra 2 lights here. However, you've got 190 different stitch options to choose from and 10 styles of one-step buttonhole, 11 different presser feet, but this time it comes with Janome's dual feed foot, which is a slightly different walking foot system from the Atelier 5 in that this foot slots into the machine, so it's actually powered by the motor of the machine, and it gives much better results when you're sewing on delicate fabrics or layers. It really helps to keep those together so you don't get any shift or any movement, so you can get really nice results on the projects that you're working on. And then last but not least, the Atelier 7, the top of the Atelier range. It has everything that the Atelier 6 has, including the more superior dual feed walking foot system. But there's loads more. So it comes with the extra straight stitch plate, but this machine also has the technology to accept Janome's professional HP plate. It doesn't come with it, but it is an optional extra. And that's really, really good when you're wanting to do precise sewing, intricate sewing, sewing curves, high speed sewing, everything else that you might want to achieve. It also has a slightly different screen. So this is more of a touch screen in here. And that gives you more options. So there's more automated features on this machine. So there's your additional button here, which is an automatic presser foot. And what that means is when you stop sewing, you can program it so that the needle will stay down and the presser foot will come up. And that then means that you can just quite simply pivot on your work and carry on sewing. You can just keep your hands on, and it just makes things more precise and saves time. It's also really good for when you're doing free motion because you can set the foot at the height that you want just above your fabric to get nice results there. It has automatic presser foot pressure as well. So what that means is it's automatically detecting the thickness of the fabric that you've got under the foot and altering the pressure again so that you can feed consistently and get really nice results. Now this machine also has what I would call true automatic tension. So within the navigation here, there is a section called Sewing Applications. And those are different sewing principles, basically like smocking, basting, applique, quilting, free motion. And when you choose those options in there, the machine is then setting the tension, setting the presser foot pressure and everything for you. So again, that you're achieving those best results on there. Now the machine comes with 350 different stitches built in, but it also has Janome Stitch Composer, so you can create your own stitches. So the stitch options on this machine really are unlimited. Now the top speed on this machine is just over 1,000 at 1,020 stitches per minute. So it has the most power out of all of them in the range. And that means that it's really good on a wide variety of projects. So whether you're making thick wool coats, if you're bag making or interlining curtains with some buckram, it's really the best machine for those jobs, but it also does a really great job on the delicate things and everything in between as well. So I hope you now feel better informed about each model in the Janome Atelier range of sewing machines, so that you're able to decide which one is right for you. If you've already decided, head on over to our website and grab yours now. Delivery is fast and it's free. And if you're still not sure and want to see one of these models in action, then we've done some more detailed videos. You can find those links below. And don't forget, we're here at the Sewing Studio for any advice or support that you might need. If you have any specific questions about any of our models, then please do just get in touch.